Hey there, future card sharks. Let's talk Blackjack. It's a super cool card game, easy to learn but tricky to master. Think you got the skills? Blackjack is popular because it's exciting and fast-paced. Plus, you're playing against the dealer, not a whole table of pros. It's a game of skill and a little bit of luck. Who knows, you might even win some big bucks. Want to learn how to play? Stick with me, and you'll be a Blackjack pro in no time. First things first, let's break down the rules. In Blackjack, you want to get closer to 21 than the dealer, without going over. Easy, right? Each card has a value. Number cards are worth their number. Face cards, Jack, Queen, King, are 10. An ace can be 1 or 11, your choice. You play against the dealer, beat their hand, and you win. Now that you know the basics, let's see how a real game works. Ready to play? Here's how a hand of Blackjack goes. 1, you place your bet. 2, you get 2 cards face up. 3, the dealer gets 1 card face up, 1 face down. Now you have to decide. Do you hit, take another card, or stand, stick with what you have? The goal is to get closer to 21 than the dealer without busting, going over 21. Let's say you get a 7 and a 9, that's 16. The dealer is showing a 6. You think, I need to get closer to 21. You decide to hit and get a 4. 16 plus 4 equals 20. Nice. Now it's the dealer's turn. They flip their card and it's a 10. They have 16. They have to hit. What will they get? Section 5, Winning Ways, Basic Blackjack Strategy. Blackjack isn't just about luck, it's about strategy too. Here are some basic tips. Know when to hit or stand. A good rule is to stand on 17 or higher, hit on 16 or lower. Double down when you have a good hand. This means you double your bet and get 1 more card. Split pairs when you have 2 of the same card. This creates 2 separate hands to play. Remember, these are just basic tips. There's a whole lot more to learn. Section 6, Rookie to Rockstar, Top Tips for Beginners. Starting out, here are some extra tips. Start small. Don't bet big until you know the ropes. Watch and learn. Observe other players and the dealer. Don't be afraid to ask questions. The dealer can help you. Have fun. Blackjack is a game, so enjoy yourself. The more you play, the better you'll get. Practice makes perfect. Section 7, Counting Cards, Myth or Magic. You've probably heard of card counting. It's a technique that helps you track cards to predict what might come next. Sounds cool, right? But it's not as easy as it sounds. It takes practice, and casinos are wise to it. For beginners, focus on basic strategy first. Card counting can come later. Section 8, Practice makes perfect, hone your skills. The best way to get good at Blackjack? Practice. You can play online, with friends, or even just practice by yourself. There are also apps and websites where you can play for free. This is a great way to learn the ropes without risking any money. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Section 9, ready to play? Blackjack awaits. So there you have it. You're now armed with the basic knowledge to conquer the world of Blackjack. Remember, it's a game of skill and a little bit of luck. Start small, learn the rules, practice your strategy, and most importantly, have fun. Now go out there and show them what you've got.